Cardiff City made an encouraging start to the 2025-26 League One campaign under new head coach Barry Murphy, who took charge in June on a 3-year deal. The Bluebirds currently sit third in the table, having accumulated 7 wins, 2 draws and 2 losses, placing them just 2 points behind the league leaders. The team's early performances suggest they are serious contenders for promotion back to the Championship. Barry Murphy has brought a possession-based ball-playing philosophy to Cardiff, focusing on control and building from the back. This approach has improved the team's defensive structure, with Cardiff conceding an average of just 0.82 goals per game. However, the Irish manager has been candid about areas requiring improvement. In a recent 4-3 thriller against Leyton Orient, he admitted his team misinterpreted what we needed from the game, leading to a record number of turnovers near their own goal. Despite the defensive lapses, Cardiff's resilience shone through as they twice came from behind. The attacking options have also been a standout feature. Robinson has already netted 5 goals, while Yusuf Salek has contributed 4, demonstrating the depth and versatility in Cardiff's forward line. Barry Murphy's guidance has been instrumental in helping players adapt to his style, balancing tactical discipline with attacking freedom. While the team is still ironing out defensive inconsistencies and adjusting to high-pressure situations, the progress made in the early stages of the season is clear. Upcoming fixtures, including a local derby against Wrexham in the Cup, will provide further tests for their promotion credentials. Overall, Barry Murphy's influence is evident in both the team's performances and mentality. If Cardiff can maintain their form, tighten their defensive game and continue to capitalise on attacking opportunities, a top 2 finish and a return to the Championship is within reach. Early season results suggest the Bluebirds are laying the foundation for a successful campaign under their ambitious new manager.